Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to review the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine. The company presents it as a very effective and clean ironing solution where you just place your clothes inside and the machine does the rest. In practice, it is not that accurate. The device works more like a wrinkle remover than a traditional ironing machine. It smooths the fabric, but the clothes will not look as crisp and polished as they do with a hand iron. For everyday shirts and blouses, it can reduce wrinkles and give them a neater appearance. But for heavier fabrics, formal clothes, or when you want sharp crease lines, it does not perform at the same level as manual ironing. Customer opinions about the Aironox are mixed. On Trustpilot, there are both positive and negative reviews. Some people are satisfied with the convenience and time saving, while others were disappointed. A part of the negative feedback comes from buyers who never receive their package at all, which raises concerns about availability and delivery reliability. Another important detail is the pricing. On the official websites and retailers, the Aironox is often listed around $150 or more. But on platforms like Alibaba, you can find similar machines being sold for $20 to $30. This shows that the markup is quite high and you may want to compare carefully before purchasing. To sum it up, the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine does make ironing easier, but it is not a perfect replacement for a traditional iron. Thanks for watching.